this video, I'll walk you through the steps to buy Bitcoin on Kraken. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this guide will help you get started with ease. So first, make sure you are on the Kraken website, and on the left side, you will see here the Explore. Click on that and you will see all the cryptocurrencies available here in Kraken. Now, in order to buy Bitcoin, just simply click this Bitcoin, then buy. And as you can see in here, Kraken will suggest you to deposit crypto first. So click this deposit crypto. And as you can see in here, I'm still not verified. So assumingly we are verified here in Kraken. So once you are verified in here, you'll be able to see here a procedure or process of how to deposit a BTC balances here in Kraken. So after that, so assumingly you've deposited a BTC in here and go to the Bitcoin or cryptocurrency and then click the buy button, and that's it. That's how you buy a Bitcoin here in Kraken. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.